Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be cleaning up this place because we're going to move to a new apartment.
Finally, our own space again. We are so excited. We cannot wait to not have to deal with the shenanigans of sharing a space with somebody.
Yes, so we are going to clean the things that we didn't even make a mess of, but we're going to clean them anyway just to save some peace so we don't have to get billed for anything, which honestly I feel like we're still going to get billed because there's just some stuff.
But there's certain lines that we are prepared just to not cross and deal with the consequences of it because for the principle we're just over it. So
yes, and also you know what, we're moving out, so whatever.
Yeah.
It's literally 3 days or 2 days or whatever and we're moving out. So this video is going to be us cleaning, getting the place into shape, packing our stuff, and then in the next video will be us moving into our new apartment, and in the next video will be a tour of the apartment.
Stay tuned for our little moving mini-series.
Make sure to subscribe if you like this video, if you like our personalities, if you like our content.
We're so needy.
We're so needy. And give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's get cleaning.
Okay, line number 1. We are going to be cleaning around this dirty dishes in the sink. We are not taking out the moldy rubbish that has been there since we've been here. And we are not taking out this massive garbage bag full of rubbish that has also been here for a very long time, stinking the whole place out. If our staff housing manager comes to us and says, "Why didn't you do your bit?" we'll say www.youtube.com. Subscribe while you're there.
/ David and Sarah.
That is the kitchen done. Now, let's get on to our room, which actually is our mess.
Should we do the dining room though? There's also one underneath her rubbish thing.
Are we getting that?
No.
Progress shot.
There's crumbs all in here.
Gross. Yeah, this has been one of our roommates' bedrooms for the last 4 weeks. And for some reason we're cleaning it. Okie dokie, now for the bedroom. You're gonna have to excuse the mess. We've been living out of suitcases for the last month. We never bothered packing it into cupboards and stuff because all of our cooking stuff is in our cupboards. Yeah, stuff is just everywhere, but we're gonna try and get it done. We're in a bit of an awkward limbo at the moment where we've got days off, we've got time to do it, but we've got nowhere to move our stuff to because our apartment's not coming until 3 days from now. So we're just gonna try and do whatever we can.
I'm gonna clean the bathroom and David's gonna be sorting out his suitcase. By the way, do you have a view, guys? I've had this view for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that to mine as well. Put it on the bed. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna be also folding some of my clothes as well, so excuse all the mess. Also, we need to get rid of half of this stuff before we leave Canada. So if anyone wants to buy anything, if there's anything that you see that you like, you know, like this shirt of David's, really nice.
I can even sign it for you.
David will sign it for you. We need to get rid of everything.
Okay. What's next?
Shoes.
You want to just chuck them all in here? You can make this the shoe bag.
Okie dokie, now that we've got that done, we're gonna have some lunch.
Same old diet fare. Ham and bread.
Ham, bread, mustard seeds, aioli, and we don't have any more salad, so.
But it is tasty. It's just that
It needs some chili.
we're not feasting on enough of it at the moment. But that's our own problem. We shouldn't have been gluttons for the last 6 months.
Alright, so this is the daily grind.
You get your cutting board and your knife. You ignore the stench of the rotting rubbish that's been there for the last 4 weeks. We wash our hands. Here's a Canada hack for you. Buy like a little rolled, you know those little chunky rolled hams, and then just slice it. This works out to about $8 a kilo, and the cheapest you can get it shaved in the deli for is about $32 a kilo.
So much.
We also eat in our room just because we don't want to be out there in the filth.
Because we're antisocial. And it's filthy. That's probably the #1 thing.
By the way, this is our recycling collection.
If you know us and you're an OG, you'll know from the previous videos that we recycle. So we can get some money. Okie dokie, back from lunch and just gonna clean the bathroom now.
While Sarah's cleaning the bathroom, I am going to be packing our groceries into some grocery bags so it's all ready to go. We should be done with all our cooking stuff, so I'm going to pack all that away as well. Going to be noodles for the next 3 nights.
Hey, we're having beans and rice tonight.
Oh yeah, beans and rice tonight from meal prepping. Oh, is it time for a break yet? Oh. How's it going in there, honey? She's loving it. You know it's an old piece of junk vacuum when it dims the lights when you turn it on. Nearly takes out the whole grid.
Smells pretty good in here. Do you want to come and smell?
Okay, sniff test. Smells clean in here. Fresh as a daisy.
I still need to wipe this down. I just don't have a glass cleaner.
We are all done for today. We've done everything that we can that won't be counterproductive to do now, if that makes sense.
Yeah, we're in a weird situation where like you kind of need some stuff, but you can also pack away some stuff. So we've done everything we can. We've cleaned. So we'll just have to probably go over it a little bit on Monday,
and then moving in on Tuesday. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Share, subscribe, and did I say subscribe?
No, you didn't.
Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Wait,
Bye.
I don't say subscribe.
Oh.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye.